Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to share a phone contact as VCard, so on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your diaper. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to select a contact that you want to share. Let's, for instance, I want to share this contact. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on share. Then we have two different options. Next thing we want to do is to click on share as VCard. Then we can share to different options, to different platforms, such as share via Bluetooth, WhatsApp, quick share, Gmail, Telegram. It depends on the type of apps that you have on your phone. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to share contact on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.